Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're finally checking out Throttled by Verizon. So this is their official website. As you can see, if you go to throttledbyverizon.com, it will take you to this website. So I know I made a video talking about this, and at that time the website did not launch, but finally this is an official website. So let's check it out and explore what it has to offer. So right off the bat, it does look like a Verizon website. If you go to verizon.com, Verizon prepaid, it looks just like this. It's usually a white background. The same text in bold and everything. So it says explore new possibilities with cutting edge smartphones. Take a look at our selection of best 5G phones with huge savings. We'll take a look at that, the plans, and make sure it is official. So once you scroll down, it'll say no contract plans starting at just $30 a month. So remember, this is a prepaid, not a postpaid carrier. Even though it's using Verizon's network, Total Wireless, as it was known before, is a track phone owned company, which of course Verizon bought out. So it says no contract plans starting at just $30 a month. Save now. Nationwide 5G network. So you do get the nationwide 5G. Do not get the ultra band, except for the higher plan, I believe. We'll double check that. And Disney Plus is included with select plans. So I just got like hair in my mouth or something. Sorry about that. Gotta trim the mustache, I think. But yeah, so Disney Plus is included with select plans, which is the more expensive one. You do get, we'll get to that part in a little bit. But let's go ahead and actually see the plans. So we'll click Save More, or Save Now, should I say. Will take us to the plan. So it says make it a multi-line adventure. So you can get multi-line discounts. So how it works: choose your first plan, mix and match your next plan for $35 each, which is not bad. So it says pay the full cost of your first plan. So whatever the first plan you choose, it's going to be the regular price, 40, 50, or 60. And add up to 4 more lines with the same incredible benefits for just $35 a month. Wow, that's pretty crazy. So why wouldn't we just get the more expensive plan, Pair a phone with each plan. So it says then you'll have to pair a phone and pick a plan. So here are the official plans. Yes, these have been leaked, but these are now official since they're on the website. Anything can be leaked, but it's not official until it's official. So remember, you have to pick at least, to do the mix and match multi-line plan, you need at least a 40, a 50, or 60. The 30 does not count. So the $30 plan, or 30 per month, there's price breakdown and all that stuff, but unlimited talk and text, 5 gigs of high-speed data, then it slows down to 2G speeds. Hotspot enabled up to 5 gigabytes. Wow. Unlimited talk and text to Canada and Mexico, so pretty cool. Verizon 5G nationwide, and no contract monthly plans. Pretty cool. Remember, this is for one line only, not 5 or anything like that. Excuse me. $40 a month will get you unlimited talk and text, 15 gigs of high-speed data, then slows down to 2 GB. So that should be a sweet spot for a lot of people. You do get 5 gigabytes up to the 15. So I'm not sure if I said this, but this is 5 gigs of high-speed data, and then you get 5 gigs. So you're using the data pool right there, guys. Same thing, you got 15 gigs of high-speed data. You're using the data pool of that 15 for your hotspot. Unlimited talk and text to Canada and Mexico. Verizon 5G nationwide, no contract. Now, this is a plan that most people want, is the unlimited. So 50 does give you unlimited talk and text, 10 gigs of hotspot. Remember, you do get unlimited data. Let's see if it shows how much data we actually get. I believe it should just give you, is it 60 or maybe 100 gigs? Let me see if I can find it here. Might be in the terms and conditions. So look at this. So someone actually did. So someone did actually. It says, does unlimited plans get throttled? And if so, what point and to what speed? So it says a representative 2 days ago from TracFone Wireless told me around 25 gigabytes is when you drop to lower priority speeds. So look at that. Even though it's unlimited data, they are saying that once you hit that 25 gigs of priority data, it does lower your priority, which does slow down. So that's a big one. So, officially doesn't say on their website, but I mean, Total Wireless, I think after 50 gigabytes, it would slow you down or cap you. But So that's one of the things that they said, not official yet, but that's I don't see anything here on their website either talking about unlimited throttling, but that's what they said. But 10 gigs of hotspot, unlimited talk and text to 5 countries of your choosing. Wow. A Verizon 5G nationwide, no contract monthly plan, and Disney Plus for 6 months only. So once you get this, you get Disney Plus for 6 months. After that, you have to pay for it. Now, for $10 more, you get the unlimited plan. That includes Disney Plus. It's not a trial. This actually gives you the full benefit. So it's unlimited talking, text, and data. 20 gigs of hotspot, unlimited talking text to 69 countries. Wow. Verizon 5G nationwide, 5G ultra wideband access. So you do get the 5G ultra wideband with the $60 plan, no contract monthly plan, Disney Plus with plan. So pretty cool. Let's see if they have anything talking about this one. Explain Unlimited, there has been a set number of gigabytes they will allow you to use. So see, a lot of people are asking this question and not many have answered it yet, but I'm pretty sure there is a soft cap there somewhere. So, but overall, let's see if you get 2 lines. Of course, it's $47.50 per line. 3 lines is $43.33. 3 lines. 4 lines is $41.25, and 5 lines is $40 a month for 5 lines. So not bad at all, and you do get all these benefits, including Disney Plus. So here's why you should choose them: unlimited talking, text, and data, nationwide 5G, the fastest speeds, which is nice. I mean, you can access the ultra wideband if you're in a select city and in that area. No contracts. Keep your device, so you can bring your own device, as long as I believe like a Verizon device are unlocked. Hotspot enable, room to roam, and earn rewards. So pretty cool. Multi-line combinations are endless. So as you can see, you can get different savings on different plans, which is great. Service add-ons, you can get a global calling card for $10 a month, which rates as low as 1 cent per minute. You can add to any service plan. Unused balance will roll over. You can also get add-on data, so 5 gigabytes of data for $10, and it does roll over, carry over, which is really nice, guys. So if you don't use it, you can purchase as many as you want. If you don't use it, it'll just roll over each month. So pretty cool. Let me check something. So I was trying to find the terms and conditions. It didn't say, but it does say that times of congestion speeds may slow down once you hit your allotment, but it has not really specified how much. But like I say, they're saying after 25 gigs, it will slow down. You will not slow down, but you will lose priority. So maybe they just give you 25 gigs of priority data. Maybe we'll make another video talking about that. But let's go ahead and go to shop. Let's go to see what the phones that they have. So here we go. Of course, you can do a BYOD, bring your own device, but let's see what they have to offer with phones. So here we go. So it looks like you can get an iPhone 13. Does cost $830, which actually should be price dropped, but I guess not here. Of course, you can get it low as $34.58 a month. Remember this by SmartPay. SmartPay, I believe, does charge you interest, if I remember from my old job. But you can see you can buy a phone through their website. Some might be discounted, like the iPhone 11, only $300, which is pretty good, or $12.50 a month. But for me, I would probably say try to get an unlocked device and see if it's compatible. You usually get a better deal if you can find an unlocked device like the iPhone 13 Pro. It should be $100 less. Not that the 14's out. So, just look for better deals. These kind of prepaid prices, they usually stay a little bit higher. Sometimes you'll find it at a discount, so you probably want to look at that. But wow, some of these are out of stock. But I would say here are some of the phones that you can get. If I would say try to do a BYOD, if you can find a better deal. You can also do PayPal, which is buy now, pay later. I would definitely say PayPal would be the better bet to go with than SmartPay. I've never heard good things about SmartPay, but you can do PayPal. It looks like, I guess if you have PayPal, but it's not really showing me here. Maybe new customer, something like that. but it does say PayPal, buy now, pay later. So we'll look more into that in another video. But overall, this is Verizon, or Total by Verizon's website. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you excited for it? Are you going to be using it? Are you going to test it out? Do you want me to test it out? You know, you can keep your own phone. Like I said, here we go. Check compatibility. And of course, today's Sunday, so it's internet. It's going a little bit slower today, but we'll see what it does in a little bit. And plus, this is a new website too, so it could be that, you know. But nothing too bad. You can call them. They do have a live chat, which is great. And then here you go. You can enter your zip code, and then basically it's just gonna ask you, you know, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't even know. Just making up a random zip code, and there you go. You put your IMEI, and it should tell you if it's compatible. So if you can find an unlocked phone, that might be the best bet, and see if it works. But usually, if it's a Verizon compatible phone, it should work. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll make more videos if you like these kind, and when we have more time. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragon Warfare sign off. If you want to support the channel, check out Honey's free web browser extension and find your best promo codes. Popular shopping websites, mainly all of them. So check it out in the description below. It does help the channel, so check them out, please. So thank you, guys.